Hey everyone, welcome to 1438 East Baytowne Cir. This beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom pool home sits in the heart of Sandestin. You do not want to miss seeing this home. 3-car garage includes your golf cart that will lead you to every amenity you can dream of. There's pools, there's shopping, there's dining, there's a marina. Baytowne Wharf has so much to offer. You do not want to miss the opportunity to come and look at this home. I hope to see you soon. I'm Amy Calderon with World Impact Real Estate. If you would like to schedule your personal tour, reach out to me. Make sure that you do not list your home, you sell it with the A-Team.